Hey, so I don't know what I was thinking today. I am eating the spiciest noodle in existence while spilling the most embarrassing moment of my entire life. I might not survive this, so hit that like button for emotional support. Let's go. Subscribe if you've been embarrassed praised yourself in public because we bonding through pen today. Oh no. Immediate regret. This stuff is instantly. Anyway, okay. So picture this. I was at my school's talent show and I was supposed to do a cute dance performance. I practiced for weeks, had an outfit slaying. I thought I was ready. But the moment I walked on stage, I drifted on the make cord like a fawn face plant. No music had even started yet. People grasped. I pretend I was tying myself. But I wasn't wear shoes with laces. Also, these noodles are white. Why is my tongue numb already? Why does it keep getting harder? Who even pretended? Mmm. This is no longer food. It's a threat. I'm genuinely scared. Okay, but we're committed now. We suffer through it together. Back to the story. So I finally start dancing, and mid-spin, my outfit snapped it. Just snapped it. And of course, I was just spot there like a glitching NPC for what felt like a century. There was this awkward silence, and then one kid just said, "Yeah, is that part of the dance?" I wanted to melt. Please tell me I'm not the only one who's suffered like this. Drop your cringe moments in the comments so I don't feel alone. I did it. Barely. My mouth is numb. My soul has left my body, but I survived. Lesson learned. Spicy noodles are no joke. And so are the public stages when you're not emotionally prepared. But also, embarrassing moments don't define you. They make you reliable. They make you you. Honestly, if you can laugh at yourself, you win. Because all drip, spill, crack voices, and eat fried noodles thinking you're cool. And it's okay. Okay, now it's your turn. Comment your most embarrassing story below so we can laugh, cry, and cringe together. If you want a part 2 with even hotter noodles and even worse story, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share this pen with a friend.